birth. Okay. So look, I'm just coming over because the security for the mall.
Yeah, I'm not going to move at all. I will actually kill every fucker that comes here.
Okay, well, we don't want that. Okay?
I don't care.
Okay.
That's what I'm at.
Okay, look, I'm just trying to talk to you.
Okay, I'm going to sleep right here so you can do what you want to do.
Okay.
You either protect and defend or I'm going to fucking destroy your fucking human being. Understand?
I understand, but why are you coming at me like that?
Well, I'm just letting you know.
And I'm just letting you know too, okay?
Don't tell me what to do at all.
I'm not letting you know. I'm not telling you what to do.
Okay.
I'm just letting you know what security has advised us. Okay?
I am security for the whole country.
Okay.
You want Iran and China to fucking bust your nut or what?
No, not at all.
Well, I'm
Did
the
I
guy.
say that?
Listen to me.
Did I say that?
Just listen.
No, I'm telling you right
Listen
now.
to
No,
what?
we're not doing that.
You know what?
Dude. Hey, you better step back, dude. Step back.
I'm gonna fuck your ass up,
okay,
bitch.
You better step back right now.
I said get the fuck out of here now.
Step back, right? I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna fight. 6'2", then fight. Get off me. Get off me.
Fuck you, nigger.
If you come any closer, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you, dude.
I'm gonna fuck
gonna
your
shoot you.
human being up.
I'm gonna shoot. 6'2",
Get
then
the
fight.
fuck out of here now.
Get up. Stop. You don't
get
stop.
the fuck
I'm gonna
outta
shoot
here.
you. I'm gonna shoot you, dude.
Shoot.
Get off me. Get up. Get up. Stop. Stop moving. I'm gonna continue to shoot you. Stop. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Confirm your location.
In front. Lower level. Suspect down.
In front of.
Do not move. Not move. Do not move.
This is start responding.
I'm at the lower level next to the parking lot. Closest to